how to fix Microsoft ClipChamp can't sign you error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your settings, open it up, and then on the left hand side, you'll need to go to apps. So go ahead and tap on it and go to installed apps on the top. Now, you'll need to search for Microsoft ClipChamp. Tap on the three dots on the right hand side and then go ahead and tap on advanced options. Then its settings will open up. Scroll down and tap on repair. If repair doesn't work, then you can tap on reset. Now if that also doesn't work, then you can uninstall ClipChamp and then install it again. This will help you fix your issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.